everyone, good morning. I just woke up and in my last video I showed this to you guys, the jelly blush that my son ordered for me online. He said he was charged once, but they made it to me twice. This one he gave it to me after I think 5 days, and they made it to him twice, so at least I have a backup. Plus I went to Dollar Tree and I saw this makeup brush set. It's a sassy and chic one. I just like it because it's purple. I'm not expecting... Oh my god, look at that. I just open it and see this brush falling apart already. So I'm not expecting a lot from that. You could see it's bad. Like, it's shredding already. I haven't even used it. I don't know if you could see the brush coming out. See, I'm holding some right now. I don't know if you could see it. See? There. Dude, that's bad. It's soft, but good luck. I mean, I'm not expecting highly of this one. I just kept it because of the color. And then there's two small brushes here, which is the same actually. And another brush, which is so bad. It's not even. See, you could see the cut of it is not even. And it's coming out. It's coming off every time you pat it like that. And this one too. See? Oh my, did you see that? I don't know. See? See it there, and then if you do that, if you use it again, some will probably come out. I don't know. I'm not advising you to get this because see, it's already there. I haven't even used it. So good luck. You could see the strand all standing up there at some point. I don't know if you could see it. I don't even know how to show it to you. Oh well. Anyway, I also got this tinted lip oil. It's in the shade Cranberry. I have two more of this, but this shade I haven't gotten it. So now I got it. Let me see what shade I have. What's the other shade I have? I know I got two. Let me see if it's here. Some lip oil here. And another one. Yeah. So I got one in Sweet Honey and Pink Doll and the Plumberry. This one is a little the same, but oh my god. They just have a different cover, but exactly the same shade. Like, I cannot tell them apart. Like, seriously, even if I stare at it, I cannot tell them apart. Can you? They just have different names. And I got this Perfect Brow Mini Kit by Ioni. I've been using the other one here. But it have a different packaging. I don't know if they have the same color. Do they? Yeah, the dark shade is on the other side. The light shade is on this side, so... yeah. I know this one is a wax, but it got dirty, but it's really also a wax. See? It means I've been really using it. So, yeah. Let me clean it. Let me clean it up. Oh my god. You have no idea how many months I've been eyeing on that ioni jelly tint blush. It's like the one from Milk, and I told my sister about it. By the way, if you see my video, she's the one who gifted me the Wet and Wild Nightmare Before Christmas set. She got that for me on my birthday. By the way, before I finish the story, I also got this headband. It's like the one that they always wear. I've seen a lot of YouTuber wearing a lot of headband like this. And I got one in peach. And I got this also by Dollar Tree. It's a leather one. I mean, it's not real leather, but you know, my hair is so dry because I put some what do you call that? Some oil, so it makes it really frizzy. I don't know. Anyway, so I've been telling my sister about the ioni one, and I told her that I've been telling my husband to go with me to Dollar Tree so I can buy the mozzarella cheese, but actually I still buy the mozzarella cheese for my son. But I'm really trying to look for the tint one, the jelly blush. And my sister gifted it to me 2 days ago. It arrived on the mail 2 days ago. She said she ordered it on eBay because there's no way she's gonna go to a Dollar Tree. So to my sister, thank you so much. It's like a dream come true. Finally, she sent me this and I don't have to go to any Dollar Tree to have it. She got me all the 4 colors. I'm so happy, you have no idea. I haven't opened it. I really waited to put it on a video and compare it here. Compare it with this one. So let me just swatch this all on my hand so I know where to match the other ones. Plus, I have a backup too. See, I have a backup of the blush, so I can finally get rid of the box. Because I have the other one to tell me what number it is. Because there's really nothing here, like no number, no nothing. It's all in the box. See. So at least now I can identify the color by looking at the other packaging. So anyway, these are the 4 ones that I got. My son got for me online. He ordered it for me. I've been pestering them. Because come on, I'm tired of going to Dollar Tree. Every fucking single Dollar Tree I see. I keep on eyeing on this one. So let me swatch. See, no swatch. I don't know which number are those, but I'm gonna swatch this over here. Be careful because this one stains. And this is how long it could ever get. Only short, see? I mean, I know it's gonna last a long time because it's so pigmented, so yeah. The second one is this. It's like an orange shade. See, it's even stained on the side. Oh, be careful. That's the one. Yeah. I love this shade. Hold on, the color build up on the thing, on the see, on the lid. So I'm wiping that. And then this one. last shade. This one. It's really cold. That's how it looks like. This one is a little red. This one is a little, let me see. It's the same, no. Is it the same? This one is more reddish. This one is more purplish. And this one is more pinkish. Like there's a hint of pink. So, we're gonna try this Curiosity by Ioni. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Can't believe I got my hands on it. Unknowingly, because my sister surprised me. And this is how much you could get. Same thing. I mean, come on, $1.25, what do you expect? So I'm gonna swatch it next to this shade. Oh! This one is more pigmented. See the pigment? Oh! Be very, very careful. Ignore this one. It's like a bug bite mark. And I'm probably sleeping and it got itchy and I scratched it. So again, this shade is Curiosity. This is way more pigmented. Oh my god, I'm so glad my sister got it for me. Next shade. Hold on. Next shade is Circus. It's like the orangey one next to it. Doesn't look orangey, but when you swatch it, oh my, it's way pigmented. See, compared here, be very careful. This one is freaking pigmented. See that? Oh, I'm so glad I got it. It's way better. The Curiosity said red. The Circus said peach. The next shade I'm gonna show you is called, see, it says Curiosity, but it says red here. This one said Circus, but it's peach here. And then the next shade is Clown Around, and it says pink here. So that's the next shade that I'm gonna show you. Oh my. I'm gonna put it next to this. Wow. That's way pigmented. See? And I like the finish of it. Actually, me personally, since I don't want too much blush, I mean, I can live with this one. The one from the Amazon. And it goes with the brush. But, you know, it's up to you. Your blending skills, how you can work with this. But I know you can control it. You can still control it. By the way, the last shade is Admit 1. And this is like a blackberry shade. I love blackberry blush. I have one in Gia by what makeup brand is that? Florence, and it's really good. You're gonna get intimidated by the look of it, but it's really good. It's like you just run and work out. It's still very wearable. And this is the blackberry. I don't know why it had that You have no idea how happy I was when I opened that packaging for my sister. It looks like this. It's all the same, see? But they're all the same as this one. But it's this one are more sheer. To think I swipe it a lot of times already. And let me see if it's gonna rub off. Nope. Still there. So be very, very careful. Again, either way, I don't mind. I mean, just be careful. Like once you put it on your face, you have to really blend it. So let me try if I could take it off with the baby wipes. You know, I've been dying to do makeup because I was off for 2 days. Later tonight, I'm gonna be working, and it just so happened today it's a little brighter. Two days ago and yesterday, it's really really dark. So let me see if it could take off the, yeah, except the plumberry one, the blackberry one. Those shades are really pigmented. It's still there. Like if you stare at it, it's still there. But you know, it's easy to take off. Let me put a sanitizer. See, even have a stain here. And here, see. I've been wanting to do makeup for a while, but I think on my next off, I will be getting the one I ordered from Alter Ego. So I'm just gonna wait for that, and I'm gonna do one quick makeup look using all of this. So it's up to you. You've seen the swatches. If you want a lighter version of all those shades, you can go from Amazon, or you can try your luck looking for this at Dollar Tree, because I'm not even gonna try. It's been months and I haven't seen not even one. So I don't know how long ago they released that product, but I'm so happy my sister got it for me. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time, and peace out. Bye.